Life is always giving you little messes. Lugging out a big heavy vacuum is a hassle. The Fuller Brush Electrostatic Carpet and Floor Sweeper is the fastest and easiest way to keep your floors looking beautiful every day. It's tiny but mighty, compact and ultra lightweight at less than 3 pounds. It's cordless, non-electric and battery-free. The sweeper creates electrostatic action while pushing quickly back and forth to help gather dirt, hair, and lint like a powerful magnet. Unlike loud and annoying vacuums, the sweeper is whisper quiet, clean without waking or bothering anyone, or scaring your pets, and easily hang on a wall in a narrow space.
Head to Fuller.com now to receive your Fuller Brush Electrostatic Carpet and Floor Sweeper for the factory direct price of just $79.99. Plus, you'll receive the Fuller Brush 3-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Go to Fuller.com. That's Fuller.com. Order now.